I'm Trevor from Star Partners, and of course I'm excited to show you 20 Ferntree close in Glenmore Park today, and here's why. For me, a home is broken into two parts of energy. Part one, the kitchen and rear gardens, and part two, the bedrooms and the lounge dining, where the majority of the relaxation happens. And I'm excited because this home provides and executes this well and offers much more. It wasn't all here at the beginning. It's taken some time to get here, and in the nearly 10 years I've witnessed their vision and hard work take shape and bring those areas of energy and enjoyment and relaxation through. A big example of this is in this lovely kitchen. It's been knocked down, knocked out, it expanded, brought forward, built from scratch into this wonderful working spacious area we see today. And the transformation outside has been immense. We've chopped down trees, retainer walls put up, the decking, the extended pergola cover. Now there's plenty of room for the kids, pets and trampoline as well. If you would like further information, please do give me a call. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the open inspection. Improvements haven't stopped there. Even the family neighbourhood, with its renowned education, parks, enjoyable lifestyle, has been lifted by the extension of the local town shopping centre that now provides all three major supermarkets, eateries and restaurants at your fingertips.